Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of these interesting expression, which is 2 divided by half time 2. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you have new in my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more video. So in this video we can solve this question in just 2.5 minutes. Okay, so mostly person can take this mistake. He can cancel these two numbers. Okay, and the result should be equal to divided by 1. So 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 2. But student, this answer is wrong, because the order of operation, which is PEDMAS, where division and multiplication have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. So firstly we can move from left to right, but before we should all know about KCF, where K stand for keep, C stand for change, and F stand for flip. So I can again write this expression here. So 2 divided by half time 2. Okay, so in this expression, firstly we convert decimal. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 according to KCF. So 2 times 2, which is equal to 4, and 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. Okay, student, this is the final answer of this expression. If you can face an issue in this question, then comment. I will reply your question. And if you have interest in this type of problem, then kindly subscribe my channel for more amazing and interesting videos. Thanks a lot, and take care for our health. Okay, so thanks again.